the challenges with the current inspections process in the energy industry?
So right now what we see in the energy business, especially for the companies, there are a lot of challenges they are facing in terms of their manual inspections as well as their inspections using the sensor-based inspection. So there are multiple areas where the problems are happening. Data collection area where you have to train somebody to go to the remote places, collect the data. So that's the data collection, and they collect numerous amount of data from the field. The second area, the challenge that they face is integrating that the data that they collect, bringing it back to the central location where they can assemble that data, and then they can make some decision on that. Analyzing that data is another challenge, huge challenge for the companies. Especially for the sensor base, because sometimes they have to bring down the asset and get the data and get the sensors installed to collect that data as well. Analyzing that data, then taking action on that. Most of the times, these actions are reactive because something bad has already happened and now they are taking action on top of that. So data collection and bringing that data inside, analyzing that data, taking action on that, and sustaining this entire flow is always a challenge for them.
How does autonomous inspection software address those challenges?
We are bringing computer vision based, machine learning algorithm based application that will run in cloud. So autonomous inspection is bringing the data automatically, and it could come from cameras, from robots, from drones, doesn't matter where it's coming from, but it's coming from the automated systems. The data gets automatically uploaded, the image data gets automatically uploaded to our cloud solution, and we run our machine learning algorithms on top of that and get the results back to our APM solution. So that's the entire workflow is actually automated.
What are the benefits of autonomous inspection software?
The benefits are numerous. Number one is the efficiency, because operational efficiency immediately increases because of automation. You are adding automation to your workflows. So number one is efficiency. So in turns, it also increases your productivity. Second one is around the safety, and because now you do not have to send your workers to remote locations or unsafe location, no more climbing upstairs, to get the data in. So this all can be automated using all these newer technologies. And the third and the most important part is around the cost, because now you're bringing your cost down, you're increasing because of these proactive alerts and proactively monitoring your systems, you're increasing your life of your asset, and because of that you're bringing the cost down. So that's the overall benefits from this solution.
How is the energy industry adopting emerging technology to increase reliability and reduce costs?
So for increasing the reliability and driving down the cost, the energy industries are looking more into condition-based monitoring. And with that condition-based monitoring, they want to utilize the newer technologies to help proactively or predict the issues that are happening in future. For computer vision, they use the camera-based systems. Those cameras could be stationary cameras, it could be drones, it could be coming from robots, it could be coming from just RGB cameras or the mobile inspectors going around and taking pictures. The beauty of this, the process of automating this, you can now do the gauge readings, you can do the external corrosion analysis. So you can get the pictures, RGB pictures from your machine, from your cameras, and those cameras can now predict the corrosion level severity for your pipes or flanges, or your important assets that it can start monitoring that. So corrosion analysis, valve or gauge readings. So it can actually give you the pressure gauges with these pictures that are coming. Another area to look into is around the thermal profiling. We are hearing the use cases are around like monitoring your gas turbines or monitoring your transformer regions, where it can the infrared cameras can keep monitoring the region, and then you can get the temperature profile for that entire region. There are use cases around gas leak detections. There are use cases around ultrasonic sound and recognition. So with that, you can understand whether pumps are vibrating at the required level or not, or if there is any issue or there is any problems happening. So there are various areas where they can rely on that, and with that they can really they can increase the reliability, because now they are getting the predictive and proactive alerts, so that they can fix things even before the actual issue happens. So that's the beauty of that.
How easy is it to ingest data from hardware, images, and other systems into APM?
Our platform is microservice-based platform. What that means is like we can practically do plug and play and work with each other's components in that platform. So it's a very interesting combination with cloud native services that we support. On top of those services, we are adding computer vision, artificial intelligence, we are adding machine learning. So this combination, working with each other, is giving tremendous benefits for our customers. Our customers will get, with the use of these technologies, our customers are getting not only the existing data that they collect, they are getting an extra eye. So we are calling it like, extra vision coming from computer vision. So they are getting extra information that they were not getting before. So for our customer, now it's like peace of mind, because now they are getting like a 360-degree view of their asset. It's the same login name and password they use for our APM solution, and because of this cohesive platform, they get everything in one single source of truth that they can look into, and then they can look at the asset health index. They can calculate that and monitor their important assets, like critical asset in this.